Hello, children. This is lecture number 6 on economics, and lesson is 1. I am going to discuss about per capita income, that is money. As you already have read about the that the Kerala, Haryana and Bihar. Haryana has higher per capita income but lags behind in infant mortality rate, education, and net attendance ratio in compare of the Haryana and Bihar. It clear that higher per capita income is not sufficient for the all-round development of any region or state. It shows that India, in India, many states has such type of problem. In Kerala, if we compare Kerala and Haryana, so Kerala is higher in infant mortality rate, net attendance ratio, and other facilities. But Haryana is less, only ahead in per capita income. It shows that money is not all in all. It means the money cannot buy everything, every good and services that we want. What is the reason behind it? The reason is that the uh, we cannot take anything with money except physical things. It means money cannot buy non-physical things like pollution-free environment, freedom, security, and free from infectious diseases, emotion, and such like other things. Now, it is clear that money cannot buy goods and services which we need to live well. Let us explain other component which clear that the compare is depend on many different components. Now look the table 1.6, some data regarding India and its neighboring countries for 2017. Here country, the first column is name of the countries, second column is uh, GNI, means gross national income per capita, 2011 PP dollar. PPP means per person income in dollar. Third column is life expectancy, 2017, and fourth column is schooling people aged 25 and above, 2017, and last column is HDI, rank in the world, 2018. Here HDI refer to Human Development Index. These data sources from Human Development Report 2018 United National Development Program, New York. Now see Sri Lanka. The country is Sri Lanka, which GNI is $11,326 and life expectancy is 75.5 years and mean year of schooling of people as 25 and above, that is 10.9, and SDI ranking is 75 out of 189 countries. Now India. The India per capita income is $6,353 and life expectancy is just 68.8 and mean year of schooling of people is 6.4 and SDI ranking 130. In the same way, Myanmar 5,500, $67,000 and life expectancy 66.7. Mean year of schooling of people 4.9 and SDI ranking is 148 out of 189 countries. Pakistan. The per capita income is $5,331. Life expectancy 66.6. Mean year of schooling people 5.2 and SDI ranking 150. Nepal 2,471 per capita income and life expectancy 70.6 and mean year of schooling is 4.9 and SDI ranking is 149. Bangladesh 3,677, 72.8 life expectancy and schooling mean year is 5.8 and SDI ranking 136 out of 189. Now compare this one. Sri Lanka is higher than India in per capita income, life expectancy and mean year of schooling and SDI ranking, that is 75, and India $6,353. It is India lags behind in Sri Lanka. And it is, if we compare the very low income of per capita income of Nepal and Bangladesh with India, then we find that it is also life expectancy. Nepal life expectancy is 70.6, whereas India has just 68.8. It is higher than India. In the same way, Bangladesh also higher than India in compare of life expectancy, that is India's has 68.8, whereas Bangladesh, a very little and backward country, also head of India, that is 72.8 in place of India's 68.8. It clear that the development of every country can be compared with different aspects, and we will find that the real picture of development. According to SDI, it is clear that Sri Lanka 175, H 175. Again, note it down that Sri Lanka's SDI is 175. 175. That is high ranking out of 189 countries of the world, and it is higher than India's and other Asian countries. Here I want to explain you that SDI stands for Human Development Index. SDI ranks are out of 189 countries in all, and life expectancy denotes average expected length of life of person at the time of birth. Per capita income is in dollars. That's all. Thank you very much.